In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide by one-digit divisors using the standard algorithm. In the first example, we're going to divide 994 by 7. Remember to use the long division steps from your notes. Divide, multiply, subtract, compare, bring down. Start with the digit in the greatest place value in the dividend, which is the 9 in the hundreds place, and ask yourself how many times can you split 9 into a group of 7. You can do this one time, so put it right above the 9 in the hundreds place of the quotient. Multiply that answer by the divisor. 1 times 7 is 7, and put it under the 9 in the hundreds place. Next, subtract 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Compare the answer to the subtraction problem to the divisor. The answer to your subtraction problem must be less than the divisor, otherwise you did not divide enough. This answer is less than the divisor. 2 is less than 7, so the next step is to bring down the next digit. Bring the 9 down next to the 2, and we now have 29 to divide. Start the steps from the beginning. 29 will be divided by 7, so ask yourself how many times can you split 29 into groups of 7. 29 can split into 4 groups of 7, so put that answer up into the quotient above the tens place. Next, multiply that answer by the divisor. 4 times 7 equals 28, and put it right under the 29. Next, subtract. 29 minus 28 is equal to 1. Compare. Is 1 less than the divisor, 7? It is, so we can move on to the next step. Bring down the next digit, which is 4. We now have 14 that need to be divided. So we'll start our steps again. First, divide 14 by the divisor, 7. 14 can split into groups of 7 2 times. Place the 2 into the ones digit of the quotient. Multiply 2 by the divisor, 7, which is 14, and put it right underneath 14. Next, subtract. 14 minus 14 is 0. 0 is less than 7, so you've divided it enough times. There are no more digits to bring down, so the final quotient is 142.